So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to zoom in on the Notes app. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So if you wanted to like zoom into your screen because you can't see it or whatever, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top left to where it says View. Then I want you to scroll down to where it says Zoom In, and you can go ahead and press Zoom In. As you can tell, it'll go ahead and do that. You can also go to the thing, so capitalize and command as well. So if I were to go zoom in right here, and I were to press caps and command at the same time, or whatever, maybe it's not working. It's all good. Go to where it says View, zoom in, and you can actually zoom in this way to your screen. And if you want to zoom out, you can zoom out as well. It's not a big deal. Zoom out, right? Whatever the case may be. But that's how you guys can zoom in on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.